So, do you want to master medical devices registration in the biggest market ever and the most important market ever in the GCC region? So, let's travel together to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, where we can explore together everything about medical devices, how to register, how to apply for the variation, how to apply for renewal, in all situations, in all cases. If you are a fresh graduate who are looking to step in still in the pharma industry, or if you are in a while in the pharma industry, or if you want to consider to start your own business, in all cases you can't miss the market of the KSA, you can't miss the medical devices, because the market of the KSA, this is like the leader of the region of the GCC, and also through which the central registrations also is happening, and you can apply with the Gulf Health Council through the KSA market. And also, if you have an approval of your products in the KSA market, so that means that you can get your approval in other GCC region in much more shorter time, in just like that. It's not like started from the scratch. So it's gonna this make your long story short, and gonna save you a lot of time, a lot of money as well. So you can't miss the KSA market, you can't miss the medical devices, because medical devices also is a huge, it's acting as a pool of opportunities, because the medical devices advancement and innovations are quite a lot compared to the pharmaceuticals. That's why if you are considering to start your own business, so it's highly advisable to consider medical devices. And this is also, medical devices take shorter time and less application fees compared to the pharmaceutical product, which means that you can put your product in the market sooner than the pharmaceutical and start your journey for the ROI. So my name is Zahra Hassan. I insist also about keeping my theme in Pharma Academy, which is that it comes from practice. I have up to more than 10 years of experience in the pharma industry, distributed among regulatory affairs, quality, and pharmacovigilance as well. This is in addition to some of the postgraduate degrees. I have like 3 master degrees. I started with the pharmacology and toxicology, and then the second one is the MBA. Then I decided to make my MBA as long as I decided to step in the pharma industry. And my third one in the pharmacovigilance, which is the relatively new and interesting career in the pharma industry. And currently I'm a PhD student there in Bordeaux University in France. This is in addition to my membership in the Rab Society of the US for the regulatory affairs. So let's start our interesting journey toward the biggest market ever and the most important market along the GCC, the leader market in the GCC, which is the KSA. So let's fly together to the KSA and discover everything about medical devices. I can't wait to see you in my course. Best of luck of all of you, and thank you.